Hello everyone, Namaste. In this video I'll be teaching you how you can make the attractive YouTube thumbnail. So watch the video till end. Okay, for that what you need to do is just download Canva app. After you download, log into this app, sign up, and after that just click on the plus icon, and after that you can scroll down and just see over here video, this one, just click over there and cross this, and your background should be in red color, blue color, or in green color. Okay, and white is not that much nice, so let me pick, okay, green color. Okay, after that just click on the add icon and this one, and to add the text just click on the plus sign, and after that text heading, and right over here you can write anything you want. This is just the idea. Now let me change the background of this one. And let me increase the font size. Again let me add another one. Again text heading, how to create YouTube thumbnail, and to increase the font size just click on the text and font size and increase. Let me make this text smaller. You can show your creativity. Okay guys, after that let me choose this color white. This is one of the favorite. And effect, you can just do this. Let me put this one over here, let me put this. Okay, how to create YouTube thumbnail, and just wait a second. Okay, I need element, this one. How to create YouTube thumbnail very easily. You can just write clickbait thumbnail. You should have the idea of clickbait thumbnail, but not that much clickbait. It should be related to your video. Your thumbnail should be very easy. And let me just change this size also, font size also a little bit small. Okay, this much is okay. After that, element, and let me choose this circle one. Okay, and like this, and let me change this color to blue, or you can choose another color also. Let me choose blue. Okay, and this much is okay. And upload photo over here. Upload. After that, you can see YouTube logo. You can make your own idea for making thumbnail. This is my own idea. And our thumbnail is now ready, guys. Create YouTube thumbnail very easily. Okay, and click on the up arrow and save image. Save. Okay guys, our thumbnail is now saved. You can see our final image of the thumbnail. It is very awesome. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Hope you learn how to create YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you so much.